Oh. Okay, 10 out of 10. Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Emily, obviously. I hope you guys are doing fantastic today. I hope you guys have had a great week. And if you haven't had a great week, I'm so sorry. I know things are crazy right now, and I know that it can be a struggle to have a good day or a good week or a good month or a good year. So keep your head up. It's gonna be okay. I know it might not feel like it right now, but hold my hand. It is going to be okay. If you're doing great, I'm excited. If not, hopefully I can distract you from the struggleness of the world right now. I'm gonna jump right into it. Oh wait, I have two things to share. Number one, what do you think of my quarantine outfit? This is it, this is me. This is what I look like on a day-to-day basis. No makeup, hood on, hoodie, with long sleeve tee under. I have my purple jogging pants and my slippers. They have Minnie Mouse on them, very cozy. Item number two, I'm trying to use K-cups more than one time to conserve them and to be like one of those people that like reuses stuff. It's horrible, I hate it. This cup of coffee is coffee number 2 from 1 K-cup, and it's literally horrible. It's like not even worth it. 10 out of 10, do not recommend, don't do it. It's just not good, guys. Today, I am going to try to get rid of my mustache. I have a mustache. I don't know if you can tell right now, but it's there. I have a mustache. I've done a lot of research. I've done a lot of searching up different DIY sugar wax tutorials. And you know, there are like some microwave versions, and like, I'm a microwave type of girl. That's just who I am. So I thought I would try the microwave version today and see if that will yield any successful mustache getting rid of results. So the tutorial I'm following today is by a YouTuber that calls themselves Abetweene. And I'll link this video down below in the description just in case you want to try it too. Abetweene, whoever you are, wherever you are, thank you so much for this video. Hopefully it works out. I'm super excited to see if I can do it correctly. This video pretty much states that you can add 3 simple ingredients into a microwave safe like ceramic or glass container and mix it up, microwave it, and then boom, you have some you have wax you can wax your body with. So I'm gonna go ahead and give that a try, and I thought I would film it so you guys can come along for the ride. I really hope it's not a fail, because I need to get rid of this mustache. Some girls can work a stash. I'm not one of them. Let's get started, okay? Let's do this.
Let's go to my kitchen now.
So here we are in my kitchen. What's up? I have here all the ingredients I need. All you need for this is sugar, lemon juice, and water. I have my measuring cups, and I'm gonna microwave it in this llama mug, because I don't have a glass measuring cup like she does. I also have this tiny little glass jar. Fig jam used to live in here. I'm a huge fan of brie and fig jam on wheat thins, so I eat that sometimes. This is a fig jar that I'm gonna put my wax in. I have all my measuring cups just to get like some very accurate measurements. So half a cup of sugar. You gotta be precise. So that goes in to my cup. Bloop. Okay, it says I need 2 tablespoons of lemon juice. You can also substitute lime juice or vinegar, but I've heard vinegar does not work as well. It's very temperamental apparently. So I've just, again, got my lemon juice. So I'm gonna take 2 tablespoons. 1, 2. Okay, so I was gonna use this fancy purified water, but we keep this in the fridge. And I'm worried that if I use not room temperature water, that the results will be a little bit different. So I'm actually not gonna use my fancy purified water. I'm just gonna use tap water because I want it to be as close to Abetweene's recipe as possible. So I'm gonna put this back in the fridge now. I'm gonna use 2 tablespoons from me tap. Here we go. You can't see the tap, so I apologize. 1, 2, around the laptop. Not today, save. Yay, okay. And then I'm gonna use this tiny little, it's a butter knife for sure, but it's kind of more spatula-like, so hopefully I can just use it. Just gonna mix it up here. She's thick. Whisk it, whisk it, whisk it. And Abetweene, I'm considering you an expert at this point because you have a lot of great videos on this. So I'm gonna do it exactly the same way as she did. I hope that my microwave is 1000 watts. If it's not, then, So the way she did hers was she did 30 seconds, 30 seconds, 2 minutes and 30 seconds. So that's what we're gonna do. So I'm just gonna pop it in the microwave. Don't look at the inside of my microwave, it's disgusting. I'm gonna hit 3, 0, and I'm gonna start it. So let's see how this goes. It's done. Literally nothing has happened. A little bit of stuff has melted, but nothing's supposed to happen at this point. You're just supposed to stir it again, and then put it back in for 30 more seconds. Okay, there's supposed to be some type of color change at this point, but there's really not. But anyway, we're just gonna keep on with the directions and we're gonna put it in for 2 minutes and 30 seconds now. See you guys in 2 minutes and 30 seconds. Okay, it's been about 1 minute and 30 seconds and I just wanted to update you on what it smells like. It smells very lemony. I can smell a lot of lemon happening. And also, I just watched some of Abetweene's video, and I apologize, I didn't show you guys the color of it before I put it back in the microwave, but it was clear the second time, which is what it was supposed to do. So I think we're on the right track. I have high hopes. 3, 2, 1. Oh, it's hot. Don't touch it. It is this yellow color. I don't know if you can see in there. It's like not the color of hers yet. So I'm gonna continue on in 30-second increments until mine looks dark like hers.
3 30-second microwave increments later.
I think we're at a good color. I think it doesn't look as dark as hers, but I think it's because it's just in a white container. So I'm gonna go ahead and pour in my wax. I'm scared. It's gonna be really hot. Oh yeah, I can feel, ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Ooh, it's hot. Compare hers and mine. Mine is like this color. I think hers might be like a little darker. So I'm gonna let this cool down for a little bit. And while it's cooling down, I'm gonna cut myself some little strips of cloth because I wanna use this as a strip wax because it'll be, I think, easier for me because I'm new to this. So let me go get some cloth to use and I'm gonna cut it up. Yeah, so what I did is I just poured some cold water into a mug and then put my jar of wax into that mug so that hopefully it'll cool down faster. We'll see. Okay, so I just wanted to show you guys what it's looking like right now. Definitely thickening up. I hope I didn't cook it for too long. I don't think I did, but this is what it's looking like right now. Ooh, look at how thick that is. It's like really thick in some places. I think think we're in a good place. I'm gonna give it just a few more minutes to cool down, and then we're gonna try it as long as it doesn't burn my fingers. Friends, I feel like it's ready. So I'm gonna just try it in my kitchen. I got a mirror because I just need to do this immediately because I just wanna know if it's gonna work. So what you're supposed to do is apply it the opposite direction of your mustache. Really quick, let me just see if I can't show you this mustache. Can you see the mustache? Anyway, it's there. Just trust me if you can't see it. I'm gonna do it. Here's my here's my wax. And I'm just gonna go for it. Don't burn my face. It's really thick. It's really thick, so I don't think I can use it as a strip wax right now. So I'm just gonna knead it a little bit, and then I'm gonna apply it and pull it off. So I'm gonna apply it opposite my hair, and then I'm just gonna pull it. Guys, can you see that? It got all those little hairs. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Okay, I'm gonna go again. I'm gonna go again. With the same piece, I'm gonna knead it just to warm it up a little bit. And then I'm just gonna apply it opposite of my face hairs. And then my mustache is coming off, yo. My mustache is coming off. It's not beautiful, but it's effective. Okay, I am freaking out a little bit. I'm gonna move to the bathroom because I need a bigger mirror for this. Hold on. Okay, so the hood is off. Just gonna knead it up, kneading it. And I'm gonna try to get the other side. Let's see. Wow, what? Guys. It's working. I'm gonna get a new piece because I feel like I need a new piece now. Okay, so this is super sticky right here. Oh, it's real stringy. Wow, she's stringy. Oh, it's hot. It's kind of hot. Okay. So I'm gonna try a strip this time. What do I do? Help. So now that I've got it everywhere, I'm looking good. I'm gonna try it with a strippy. Gonna get it, just gonna wait a second. Oh, that's a bad sign. Okay, so do you see this? See how it's leaking through my fabric? That's a bad sign that it's not done enough. Hold on. Oh my gosh. Yo, look. Wow. Wow, there's my mustache, everybody. This is revolutionary. Grab it and apply it opposite. It's in my mouth. Okay. Take a strip. Oh man. This is messy. This is messy. Yep, y'all. It's not cute. It's not beautiful. It's not graceful. But it is effective. Let me tell you. Like, look, I'm not a professional. I'm just like a normal person out here waxing my lip with the wax I just made in my microwave, and I'm telling you, it's working. I'm gonna do one more on camera just to get the full experience. Get it on there. Oop. Get it on there. Okay, let it sit for a second. I have some on my jacket. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah! Okay, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10, 10 out of 10.
Let's abruptly cut over to my final thoughts.
Okay, so I don't have a mustache anymore. honest to God, I thought that this was not gonna work. Not because of the method or anything, but just because me, like I didn't think I would be able to get it right. And to be honest, like I don't think I got it exactly right. I don't think my methods were perfect. I don't know if this is gonna be reusable, honestly. It's really hard now, but I know that people use wax that's like this hard. But this is what the inside looks like. I'll try to zoom in. It's kind of stringy and like everywhere. It's a hot mess. But it worked. Was it the easiest thing to do? No, but it wasn't that hard. It was just like it took time and you had to be patient with it. It took me maybe like all of 10 minutes to actually like wax my face. It's just like kind of icky and gross. Not really even gross, just sticky. So if you're like good with it being a little sticky and like sticking with it, you can wax your hair off with sugar, lemon juice, and water, dude. I'm shook, like I'm 110% shook. I did not know that I was gonna be capable of this. I am really excited. I would say try this, and I think that I'm gonna try to cook it on the stove at some point as well, just to see if that is better or worse, or if it matters. Yeah, I mean, dude, I have no mustache. I am so excited. I'm so excited. If you have time on your hands and some sugar in your cabinet, go grab some lemon juice from the store and like give it a try. If you try it, tell me how it works for you down in the comments. I would love to hear some of your guys' stories, or if you've done this before, if you have any pointers for me. I'm a newbie, obviously, so please let me know. I think that's all for today. I have to go teach an after-school piano class for elementary schoolers. Oh wait, no, I'm teaching guitar today, just kidding. I'm teaching an after-school guitar class for elementary schoolers today. If you haven't subscribed to my channel already, please go ahead and hit that subscribe button. And yeah, that's it, guys. Thanks so much for watching. I'm so happy that you stopped by and took the time to watch this video today. I hope that I can consider you a friend now, and you consider me your friend, because that's all I really want, is I want to be friends with everybody. So yeah, anyway, I will see you guys next time, and I hope you have a fabulous rest of your day. Bye!